Frequent flyer flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyer is back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer. Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support, and if you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend a warm welcome. It's Throwback Thursday, y'all. Technically I'm out here super late night, wee hours of the morning. Actually, it's well past midnight, and I'm out here for my Throwback Thursday flight. It's a night flight of this guy. This is the Bugs 3 from MJX, and this is a rebranded version. This is from DB Power. Same bird, just a more awesome color in my opinion. The color is blue, and usually this guy only comes in black, I think, but you can get these in various colors from rebranded versions of this guy. I've seen a white one, a red one, and just really creative with the colors of the rebrands, and I think that's awesome. They all fly the same protocol and all. Even though I do have two of these, I have the original one, and the board in this one is newer and looks different. I think the board on the original one is black, and the one on here is blue or green. I think it's blue. But anyhow, awesome little bird here. There's a plane flying up above, but this is an awesome bird. It has brushless motors. If I didn't have the Traxxas 8, this would be my favorite sport flyer of all time as far as drones are concerned, because this is only second to that. And so let's get this guy up in the air so you guys can check it out. It is deviated, and that made it that much more awesome. It has very deep pitch and all now. Flies really nice. If the motors were a little more powerful, then I think it would be just about perfect in its original features and all. But yeah, let's get this guy up in the air. It's what we call a hybrid. So it's a sporty flyer. It doesn't go into acro, but it does do one button flips and all. Really nice lights on it. Kind of a weird configuration for night flying, but it's doable. White in the front, blue in the rear. Has a spotlight in the front there. Let me show you guys the yaw on deviation. Check it out. So, pretty decent yaw. And check out the pitch. Really deep pitch on it. That was aileron. This is forward flight, backwards flight. Check out the funnel. So this guy is almost vertical on funnels and all. Let you guys see the flicks on it. I have the flick set to a switch. I have a momentary switch on here. Flips in all directions. Doesn't flick well doing moving forward. Well, it flips well moving forward, but it doesn't do the loops that I like to do. It's kind of snappy. Only thing I don't like is that the lights don't show through the top of it. So when you're flying towards you, all you see is that spotlight in the front. You don't see any of the other lights. Check it out. unless you're on an angle with it or whatnot. I definitely will not recommend this for beginners, especially not for a first drone. Somebody left a comment on one of my other videos and told me that they were having a hard time with learning how to fly this guy, and it was their first drone. And I was telling them that I wouldn't have recommended that they got this drone. Maybe something like the Dragon drone from Top Race. It flies just about the same and all, but it's a toy grade with brushed motors, a lot smaller. It might be harder to fly than this guy, but it does get you straight with learning how to fly this kind of quad here with auto stabilization, but no altitude hold. So anybody thinking about a first drone for this, I say no. Grab that Dragon drone or something similar. I don't recommend flying anything with altitude hold because this thing doesn't have altitude hold, and so you got to get used to good throttle management. So that's the key to this guy, flying this one, throttle management. And this guy dips when you give it too much pitch. When you're flying forward, you have to make sure you give it a lot of throttle because it will go down. And you bring it down front and center for you guys to see it. Have a look at it if you can. In the dark, the headlight is blinding. I don't know if it's the same effect for the camera. I don't want this video to be too long, but this thing is a pretty awesome flyer. Flies pretty long too. So let me bring it in. One more look at it. One more spin. So this is the Bugs 3 from MJX for Throwback Thursday. This is the DB Power version. It's blue. Thanks for watching.